Hello everyone, this is Gordon Holman from Kodiak Edge. This is a wad cutting knife for a fellow friend of mine that does muzzle load shooting, specifically deer hunting with his muzzle loader. And he wanted a knife for me to create for him to cut the wads as he packs them in his muzzle loading rifle. This is made from 1095 high carbon steel, and this antler is dear to his heart because his late father shot the deer in 1988, so he wanted something made with it, and this is what I came up with. I can custom make these knives, any configuration, from deer antler, 1095 steel. It also has a pounded brass finish, and it was slightly dyed brown. I want to make a sheath for it. Check us out on Facebook. Kodiak Edge. Peace.